Welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT as a marketing application. As you all know, ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI-powered language processing tool or chatbot, and it can enhance your marketing strategy and improve your customers' engagement in a more personalized manner. So in this video, let me show you some of the proven methods by which you can use ChatGPT as marketing application. Let's begin. So the first thing that you can do with ChatGPT is to generate content for articles. Guys, if you have a blog or website where you share blogs or articles to improve customer engagement, you can use ChatGPT for that, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate ChatGPT inside an automation workflow where you just have to add the titles of the articles that you want to generate in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, and the articles content will be generated automatically and will be posted to your WordPress website. If you have it on WordPress, it will be posted on WordPress website automatically, saving your manual efforts and time. Another area where you can use ChatGPT for marketing is for generating content of newsletters. Newsletters, guys, is a really effective way for connecting with your customers personally by sending newsletters on emails. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can generate the newsletters content, and you can integrate ChatGPT inside an automation workflow using Pabbly Connect, and you just have to add the prompts and the details of the newsletters inside your spreadsheet in Google Sheet. And as you are going to do it, the content will be generated and will be saved as a form of document in Google Docs application automatically, and you will have newsletters created automatically to send them on emails. Another key area of marketing where ChatGPT can be used is for social media marketing. Social media is well known for marketing practices, and ChatGPT can generate content for social media as well. So just add the details or the titles that you want to generate out of ChatGPT inside a spreadsheet, and you will get the content ready by ChatGPT automatically that you can schedule to post on social media according to your need. Another useful area where you can use ChatGPT is for generating the tags for your YouTube videos. So guys, generating the tags can be really hectic sometimes. So what you can do, you can just add your video titles inside a spreadsheet, and that titles will be fed to ChatGPT as prompts, and the tags will be generated automatically for your YouTube videos that you can add in your YouTube videos description, and it will be boosted and your YouTube videos will perform even more with the help of those tags that you have just added using ChatGPT. So this is a must-have automation technique for using ChatGPT for YouTube. So at the last, we have the most useful automation for ChatGPT to be used as a marketing application. Here guys, you can schedule your Facebook post and generate the post using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can create captions, small posts or long text for your Facebook audience, and Facebook is a great place for marketing. So you can integrate ChatGPT with Facebook, and the workflow will run automatically according to your schedule and generate the content, and it will be posted on Facebook automatically. It will save an immense amount of your time, your manual efforts, and improve your marketing a lot. There you have it, a few of the best ways to use ChatGPT for your marketing. And guys, the automation techniques that I have shown you in this video, we have already created dedicated videos on those automation workflows, and I'm going to paste the link of all those videos in the description so that you can learn from those videos and make the most out of ChatGPT in your marketing. So thank you so much.